Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create a brand new forms hook that is called useCheckbox. In previous video, we have already developed use input. So similarly, like we are going to develop useCheckbox that will be used in form. So I'm quickly defining a fat arrow function here, and then I'm going to export it so that I can use it in other components. All right, I will need one parameter here. I will name it initial checked and I'll initialize it with the false. So initially, like whether my checkbox is checked or not, that I can determine from initial checked. And since I need to use one state, right? Since then I will able to update the checked. So I will pass this initial checked in use state, and that will give me a brand new like state here checked and set checked. Then I will define one handler. So what I'm doing here is like I'm defining toggle, and I will use arrow method here. And what I can do here is like I will use set checked, and I will pass a callback. I will use the previous value, and then I will just do the like reverse of the previous checked. So what I'm going to do is like I'll pass not previous checked. If it is true, then it will be false. Now what I'm going to do is like I will return it, the checked and on change. So why I'm writing on change? Because I will directly destructuring this in input field basically. So we are going to use callback, and in this use callback, actually we are memoizing this toggle method with empty dependencies. The reason behind that is we don't want to recreate this memory location again and again. I'm going to remove all this boilerplate. Now what I'm going to do here is like I will create a form so that I can test this hook, the one which I have created. So I will write form element, although like you don't need to write form element to create the input checkbox. I have written it, but that's fine. Like you can do it without it. What I'm gonna do here is like I will use one label, and the reason behind why I'm using label, I just want to write the text as well, and one checkbox as well within like this level only. So what I will do is like I will define type checkbox, and let me just type it, and then what I will do is like I will write some text. Okay, and now I can import my hook to see whether this thing is working or not. So I'm going to name something like agreement checkbox, and then I will write use checkbox here, and I can pass false, or it is not required since that is I've already written as default value there, but that's fine like as I have written. And like you can destructure the whole thing. It also includes the event handler on change, and also like the checked value. So let me just scroll up a little bit to show you the output window. Now if I click on I agree to the terms, it is getting checked properly. So means that state is being updated. So in the same way, like you can do more things with this hook. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.